Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to put your SIM card. So did you get your phone SIM card in? I'm going to show you how to open up the SIM card door on this, and we're going to install it. So the first thing you're going to need is, when you unboxed it, on this cable box. So the cable came in this box. On the back side of this box, there's a little tool. We're going to be using this little tool here. It is a very nice tool, and we're going to have to use it. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to have to power your phone down. So I've got the button changed to where this powers it down. But if you don't have that changed yet, swipe down from the top, swipe down some more. There's a power button right there. Click that little power button. We need to shut it all the way off before we put our SIM card in. Hit the power button again. Now the units, wait for it to shut off completely. Okay, so as you're holding your phone, you've got the power button and the volume button right here. You're going to tilt it up. When you tilt it up, you've got the pin right there. There's the SIM card slot. And there's this little hole. Now make sure you get this right. I don't know why they put two holes right next to each other. There are two holes, and you do not want to put it in this hole. You want to put it in the hole that it's like a door that's opening up. That's the hole you want it in. So make sure you get it in the right one. The other one's a microphone, I think. So put it in there. Okay, now you're going to have to push this in a little bit to pop that door open. Okay, you know you've done something right because it popped open. I like to take the tool. You can use the other side of it. There's a little ledge. You just pull on that. There's the SIM card slot right there. Now this takes a nano SIM card. It may be part of a bigger one, but you're going to have to take it out. Normally when they pop out, they don't have any edges on them. They pop out just fine. So here's your SIM card door. See how you see the word SIM on the back side? That's not what we want. We want this side. And there's a little cutout right here that's going to be important. So now you're going to take your SIM card. See how it's got copper on one side? Turn it over. Turn it over so the copper is facing up. Then you're going to put it in this little tray, and it's going to snap in there. So see how it will only go one way. See that little notch cut out right there? And there's a little thing there to kind of help it. And when it's in, it is nice and flush. This is very important for it to be nice and flush. If you go putting this in with it not nice and flush, it's going to damage your phone, and it could be very expensive. So, and it's kind of held in there a little bit. So make sure it's nice and flush. The copper is up. Again, take your phone. This is the screen. You've got your power buttons over here. Leave it off. And you're going to just simply, now you're just going to slide it in. Now we don't want to force it. At this point, you don't force it. If something's not going right, you just got to take it apart. Like, see, mine already came out. I got to stop what I'm doing. Don't push it in anymore. So we got to be very careful with this procedure. Make sure it stays nice and flush. Get your phone. Then monitor it as you're putting it in. Monitor it as you're putting it in. Oh, it popped out again. You got to kind of hold it down a little bit maybe as it goes in. Now it's going in nice. That's not a very good design. That should have stayed on there a little bit easier. So now when you press that, I didn't force that, but it was just kind of nice and snug. And now you can turn your phone on, and you should be onto your carrier now. So let's just pop it open. See how we did. You don't have to pop it open. I'm just popping mine open just to see. Again, there's the SIM card. Yeah, it's nice and flush. So when you're putting it in, you know, even I was running into problems. Normally this isn't that big a deal, but for some reason it wants to pop up a little bit. So you've got to be very careful with this procedure. I hope this video helps. If you could, please like and subscribe. I've got several different videos. I've got how to change this back to the power button. When it comes out of the box, it's the Bixby button, but I show you how to change it to the power button. Also, I'm going to do some camera setup and testing it with the iPhone, see which one's better. Really like this phone so far. Thanks everybody for watching.